So here's a short little lesson on doing some expansion using the exponent rules. So we're going to use rules like when you're multiplying exponents, multiplying powers, you add the exponents. So here I'm going to be multiplying my x to the 5 into all of these, and as I'm doing it, I'm adding my exponents. So I have x to the 5 times 2x to the 4 is going to give me 2x to the 9, add my exponents. Multiply, add my exponents, minus 3x to the 8. Multiply, add my exponents. Check if I have any like terms, which I don't because they're all different powers. Then I leave it as is. Now you get into some more interesting ones where your exponents are x, but the rule stays the same. As you're multiplying, add any exponents. So 3x times 3x. Base is the same. Base stays the same. Then I have 3x plus x, because you're multiplying, you add your exponents, equals 2x. Then multiply 3x plus 1, which will just give me 3x. Now if I look at what I have left here, 3 to the exponent 2x. That is 3 squared times that x. So that 3 squared can become 9x. And then I have my plus 3x afterwards. When you're multiplying, you add your exponents, even if it's just x plus x to give me a 2x. Sometimes your exponents might be fractions. Same rules apply. Add your exponents. So I'm going to multiply, multiply, multiply. X to the 1/2 plus 3 over 2. Now subtract. Now I have a 2 by 2 coefficient in front. Then x to the 1/2 plus another 1/2 for adding my exponents. Same base. Plus, and then I have the same base of x, and I have 1/2 plus negative 1/2, adding my exponents. Now I wrote this out in expanded. You don't necessarily have to, but you're going to add those fractions. 1/2 plus 3 over 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, so that's going to be 4 over 2. That's going to give me just x squared. Then I'm going to have minus 2x. 1/2 plus 1/2 is just 1. Plus x, and 1/2 plus negative 1/2, adding a half, subtract half, is just going to give me 0. Now I can go a little bit further than this because I know x to the 0 is just 1. So I'm going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1 as a final answer. So when you're multiplying in, even if it's fractions, you're just going to add your exponents. Same rules apply if it is something like a FOIL or the double rainbow rule or whatever you want to call it, or any of those algebraic shortcuts. Multiply, multiply, add your exponents as you do it. So 2x times 2x is going to give me 2, base stays the same, add your exponents to the 2x. Multiply 2x times negative 5 is just going to give me minus 5 times 2x. 3 times 2x is going to give me plus 3 2x. I just write it out like that. Negative 5 times 2x plus 3 times 2x. And then I have just 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. I can see if I can simplify a little bit at all. 2 to the exponent 2x. That's 2 squared to the x. So that's going to give me 4 the x. Then I have minus 5 2x plus 3 2x. Those are like terms. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 2x's. Minus 15. And there's nothing I can do further than that. I'm not multiplying these two together because that would change the base. That 2x stays the same. Base stays the same. Alright, going a little bit further here, I have a shortcut. This is sum and difference, the answer of which is difference of squares. So I can go my first term squared, which is 2x squared, minus my last term squared, which is 9. Now this first term squared, 2x being squared, that's 2 to the 2x. Because you can multiply your exponents, minus 9. Multiply my exponents, gives you 2x. Again, if you look, you have a 2 squared right there, which would give me 4 to the x minus 9. One more here. Here my base is e to the x minus 4 squared. That is the shortcut, a squared, 2ab, b squared. So square the first term, ex squared. Square the last term, 16. Multiply 2 together, which is minus 4 e to the x, and double, minus 8 e to the x. Look if I can do any simplifying. Well, I can multiply these exponents together. That's a power to a power. E to the 2x minus 8 e to the x plus 16. Nothing I can do there. E squared is just still going to be e squared. So I'm going to be left with e to the 2x minus 8 e to the x plus 16 as a final answer. Okay, so just a short little lesson on expanding using the exponent rules. Thank you very much.